Hello my crafty friends and welcome back. Today I have a fun quick unboxing video showing you some new Studio Light products, and I'm going to start with the Art by Marlene line. These are the paper tags, and as you can see they are super fun. They feature this fun border over here, and it is paper. I wouldn't say it's chipboard, but it is really thick. All you do is you just tear them off from the block. You can work with them with acrylics, with sprays, with whatever you like. You can use washi tapes to connect them together to create mini albums, or even use a ring at the top. Now you will find that they are 450 GSM and you get 21 of those tags, and their size are about 6.5 by 4 without counting the border on the outside. Now I know that there are other options with another border on the side that you can mix and match to create your mini albums. Then Marlene came up with this pad that gives you SLIMLINE double layer papers. These are black and white, as you can see. The black one is cardstock, smooth cardstock. The white one looks like watercolor paper. So you can actually tear them off and you can layer one on top of the other. I would work on the white one to create my project, and then I can always use the black one to mat my project and give it a kind of a frame. So you can make art journals out of it, you can make cards out of it. Really fun and super handy to have. I'm not showing you the whole collection here, I'm just showing you some pics that I got in my box. So let's move on to the dies. I got this one with lots of circles. I absolutely love circles. I find them really versatile. You can use them again and again. You can create clusters on top of them. You can use them for shaker cards. So many ways. You can create windows. There are 4 dies. 2 of them give you a lovely lace design. And then this is a super fun product that I cannot wait to play with. I have to take it out of the packaging. Just give me a second here. So this is a super fun way to create a mini tag album. This is a die that is going to give you 5 different tags that are connected on the side. So you can fold them the accordion way. You can work front and back and create a mini album. I'm going to show you the example here. I cannot wait to play with it to create my projects. Plus you get all these other dies that you can use on top of the tags to add extra fun elements like borders. You will find extra toppers for your tags. You will find a little pocket, banners, so much fun. I absolutely love this fun product and I cannot wait to create my mini art journal using this. Now this is called ZIG-ZAG tags. And let's move on to a stamp set from this collection. I picked this one, which is called TOADSTOOL. So you get lots of variations of mushrooms. I absolutely love those as elements for art journal pages. And you also get a chick. So adorable. And here is an example of how they look if you color them. And from Marlene's collection I kept the best one for the last. So this is the advent calendar for 2022. I did have the 2021 calendar and it was amazing. I had so much fun opening the little windows every day, and I am sure that we are in for a treat this year as well. As hard as it is to wait 20 more days to open the first little window, I'm going to make it, so no spoilers on this video. However, based on the cover I can tell that we will find paper products, inks, as well as stamps, and I'm sure that the designs on the cover are little hints of what is included. So I'm probably expecting something like a border or a few flowers, definitely some inks, as well as a little calendar and maybe some paper tags. I'm super excited about this and I cannot wait for the 1st of December. So I'm going to put those aside, and you know what I'm thinking for Mixed Media Tuesday, this upcoming Tuesday, I will probably use these tags to create my project. Or you know what, maybe I'm going to use the ZIG-ZAG tags. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below so we can decide together. And let's take a look at 4 DIY blocks. Now you know that I absolutely love paper and I do love ephemera, and these combine both. So you can mix and match the papers as well as the elements that are already cut out for you to create art journals, cards, whatever project you like. All are marked with scissors and an X on top, which means that you don't have to cut out, to fuzzy cut all those lovely elements. All you need to do is just pop them out. This is scrapbooking paper quality, so they are not thick, not chipboard or cardstock, and I usually stick here at the front cover a little envelope to hold inside all the elements that I have popped out and didn't use on my project. So this is the Natural Christmas booklet, and you can see it comes with lots of brown colors and green ones, very earthy looking ones, and you get 2 pages for each design. So the first part of the booklet is like that, with all those elements that you can pop out, and then you will find also tags, banners, sentiments. In my videos I did use many times DIY blocks from Studio Light. I absolutely love them and I have been using them a lot, and if you do follow my videos you are probably familiar with them. The half of the booklet, after all the elements that you can pop out, gives you pattern papers. The pattern papers, these are double-sided, all of them. On one side you will find lovely designs, mainly background designs, and on the other side you will get your solid colors. 2 pages of each design again. So that was the Natural Christmas. Let's take a look at another one. This has more traditional Christmas colors. It is the Homemade Christmas DIY block. And again, it's the same idea. You do get all the elements that you don't need to fuzzy cut. You just pop them out and play with them for your clusters, your cards, your art journals. Again, 2 pages for each design. I'm just browsing through them so that you can get an idea, but down below in the description you will find links to everything that you see in this video. Make a note on which one of those DIY blocks you like the most, because at the end of the video I'm going to ask you for something, since I need your help. So let's take a look at the other half of the booklet. These are the colors at the back. You see the solid colors are more Christmas traditional colors, and then these are the pattern papers with all the designs that you get. So this is called Christmas Mood, and you get cats and dogs, so cute and adorable, along with other elements to play with. Let's browse through this one. And last but not least, this is the Christmas in the forest, where you will find poinsettias, wood slices, foxes and deers, yet another adorable DIY block. And they make it so difficult for us to just choose a favorite. So your task for today is to leave me a comment below and let me know which one of those DIY blocks was your favorite. I'm going to film a video creating 10 cards out of one DIY block. I'm leaning towards this natural Christmas one, which I absolutely love, but I want to hear your opinion. So really quickly again, that was natural Christmas, this is homemade Christmas, that's Christmas mood, and finally Christmas in the forest. Just pick your favorite, let me know in the comments, and to tell you the truth, if I do have enough time, I will film a second video using a second DIY block to create 10 cards. We will see how it goes. And then the second favor that I need from you is to help me pick which one I'm going to use for Mixed Media Tuesday. Should I go with the paper tags or the ZIG-ZAG tags? Sometimes with all those wonderful products that arrive in my craft room makes it super hard for me to choose. So thank you all for joining me today. I hope that you had fun. You will find links to all the products down below in the description, and I'll see you all next time.